Hello, I am Dr. Debajyoti Sarkar. I am a surgeon. So, I'll be talking about a very common topic, about a very common situation which we handle every day almost, that is gallstones. One of the most common conditions which we encounter in our day-to-day practice, maybe all over the world in surgery, is gallstones. So, what are gallstones? Gallstones are the formation of cholesterol and other elements which get deposited inside the gallbladder and they form stones. They are deposited from the bile. When the gallbladder loses its function, then the pumping action of the gallbladder is lost, as a result of which there is stasis of the bile inside the gallbladder, and the contents of the bile, they get precipitated and they form stones. Now the stones can be of any number, any size, depending upon the condition, but the major pathology is not the stone, it is the gallbladder which has lost its function. Not everybody having gallstones are having severe pain in the right side of the abdomen and having certain specific clinical signs which we have been taught in our MBBS times or in surgery. Yes, if those signs can be demonstrated clinically, yes, that is a very strong suspicion, but there are other certain symptoms which goes in favor of gallstones, like lot of flatulence. You are not taking that much of meal, but you are having so much of flatulence and you are having a distension of the abdomen very regularly after meals. Dyspepsia, you are having lot of acid regurgitation and acidity and lot of heartburn. So these can also be the symptoms which are indirectly related to the pain of the gallbladder due to any inflammation, but they are due to the gallstones. And very severe symptoms, like if you develop jaundice, then you must be having some complication of the gallstone. If you are having acute pain, if you are having symptoms and laboratory markers which are pointing towards pancreatitis, then these are the very severe complications. You can have pus inside the gallbladder can get infected, you can have pain in the stomach which is getting radiated towards the back or towards the right upper shoulder. So these are the common symptoms with which a patient can present to you, and you should have a suspicion that he or she might be having gallstones. Yes, females who have undergone pregnancy, who have reached their middle age, the people who have undergone certain other specific operations in the abdomen which can later on cause gallstones. These are a few indications with which the patient can present. Also in North India, the prevalence of gallstone and gallstone related complications, and including the gallbladder cancer, it is very much common. It is much more than the other parts of the country. One major aspect of the gallstone is, what if there is a gallstone which is detected during pregnancy? During pregnancy, if a gallstone is detected incidentally, like doing an ultrasound, then you should not forget, but you should not rush to get it treated that time. In the first trimester of the pregnancy, the baby's body is forming, the organs are forming. At that time, certain drugs, anesthesia, certain antibiotics, they can very adversely affect the child, and the child can have congenital anomalies. This formation period, the risk associated with this period is over in the second trimester. So if the patient has recurrent attacks, if the patient is not responding to medicines, then yes, surgery can be performed in the second trimester of pregnancy. But if the patient has responded to the conservative treatment after an acute attack, if the patient does not have any further complications, if the patient's liver function tests and other tests are fine, then we should wait. We should not forget, but we should wait. And after delivery is successful, in the puerperial period, we can opt for surgery. Especially any woman who has an acute attack of the gallstones in pregnancy and who is planning a second pregnancy, they should never ever neglect this, and the gallbladder should be operated in between these two pregnancies in a planned manner.